Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 12.2 question number 1. Simplify combining like terms. Let us here you see the term is simplify combining like terms. You have to now question number 1 is question number 1. It is question number 1 is 21b 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b minus 20b. These are all like terms that we can find that 21b, that is 21b plus 7b plus 7b minus 20b minus 32, right? That will be written as 21 plus 7 is 28, that is 28b minus 20b minus 20b minus 32 minus 32. Therefore we can write 28 minus 20 is 8b minus 32. This is the answer of question number 1. This is the answer of question number 1, that is 8b minus 32. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, let's see, this is minus z square plus 13z square plus 13z square minus 5z minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z minus 15z, right? Therefore, first of all, we have to rearrange all these terms. Here is z cube, that is 7z cube plus 13z square plus 13z square minus z square minus 15z minus 5z. So here you see it is 7z cube 13 minus 1, that is plus 12 z square minus 15 plus 5 is 20 minus 20z. Answer is 7z cube plus 12z square minus 20z. This is the answer of question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is 1, 2, 3. Question number 3, what you see? Question number 3 is p minus, in bracket, p minus q minus q minus p. I will find it in this way, that it is p minus p. You see, minus into minus is plus q minus q. This is minus q. Minus into minus is plus p, right? Now here you will see that this there is plus p and minus p will cut, right? And plus q minus q will cut, that we are getting p minus q, that is you are getting p minus q, and that is the answer, right? This is the answer of question number 3. Now solve question number 4. Now question number 4, you see here it is. Question number 4 is this one, that is 3a minus 2b minus ab minus in bracket a minus b plus ab plus 3ab plus b minus a, right? That is equal to, here you see, it is 3a minus 2b minus ab, it is minus a, minus into minus is plus b, plus into minus is minus ab, plus 3ab plus b minus a, plus b minus a, right? Here you see, this is, put all the a's in one side, that is it is 3a, this one is 3a, this is minus a, this is also minus a, now b, minus 2b minus 2b minus 2b, and this one is also b plus b, minus 2b plus b plus b, right? Plus b plus b, right? Now ab, minus ab, this minus ab and this minus ab, minus ab plus 3ab plus 3ab, right? Here you see, that is 3a minus 2a is a, that is 3a minus 2a, this is minus 2b, and bb plus 2b, and it is minus 2ab plus 3ab plus 3ab ab. Now here see, minus 2b plus 2 will be cut, you'll get 3a minus 2a is a, right? And plus minus 2ab plus 3ab means a plus ab, a plus ab. This is the answer of question number 4. Now we will solve question number 5 and 6. Now we will solve question number 5. Question number 5, you see here it is, question number 5 is, here you see the question number 5 is 5 x square y minus 5x square plus 3 yx square plus 3y x square minus 3y square plus x square minus y square plus 8xy square, 8xy square minus 3y square, right? We'll find what is the value of this one. You see, now we'll have to arrange all the terms, all the like terms. This is x square y, this is x square y, and this is also x square y, right? Therefore we will add this one, that is 5 x square y plus 3 x square y, right? Now minus 5 x square plus x square minus 5x square plus x square plus x square. Right? Now this is right. Now 3y square minus 3y square minus y square minus 3y square minus y square minus 3y square plus 8x y square plus 8x y square, right, plus 8x y square plus 8x y square plus 8x y square. Right, now here you get that is x square y, this is x square y, that is 5 plus 3 is 8, 8x square y, 8x square y minus 4 minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, that is minus 4x square minus 3, this is 3 6 plus 1 7, that is minus 7y square minus 7y square and y square plus 8x plus 8x y square. This is the answer of question number 5. This is the answer of question number 5. That is 8x square y plus 8xy square minus 4x square minus 7y square. Right? This is the answer of question number 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is, here you see, question number 6 is, that is 3y square plus 5y minus 4. This is minus 8y minus y square minus 4. That is, you are getting 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus 8y minus into minus plus y square minus into minus plus 4. Therefore, you are getting, here it is y square and here it is y square, there is 3y square plus y square plus 5y minus 8y plus 4 minus 4. This will cut, right? So we are getting 3y square plus 1 square is 4y square, that is equal to 4y square and it is minus 3y. 5 minus 8 is minus 3, that is minus 3y. This is the answer of question number 6. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.